Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to Chakra Healing Mandala Meditation Series 2. In this final Sacral Chakra meditation, we celebrate joy, we celebrate emotional freedom, we celebrate self-expression, which are the very essence of creativity and flow. Let this mandala become a mirror for your inner radiance, a radiance that's alive, a radiance that's beautiful, a radiance that's playful, a radiance that's expressive too. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath in, and release a slow exhale. With your next breath, bring your attention to the space just below your navel. Visualize a warm orange sun glowing there, bright, pulsing, and alive. It radiates warmth and comfort like the first rays of sunrise touching your skin. With every inhale, the orange light expands gently, filling your lower belly, hips, and lower back. With every exhale, it spreads further. It spreads into your abdomen, chest, arms, and legs until the entire body is bathed in a soft orange aura. You may begin to feel a sense of openness, lightness, and movement within. The orange energy of your sacral chakra awakens your creativity, sensuality, and emotional flow. Now imagine yourself standing near a beautiful waterfall. The sound of the flowing water mirrors the rhythm of your breath, which is smooth, effortless, and free. You begin to move gently, perhaps a soft sway of your hips, a roll of your shoulders. You're not dancing for anyone to see, you're dancing just for the pure joy of being alive. Your movements are fluid, graceful, and spontaneous. Each motion releases stored emotions. Every sway lets go heaviness. Every spin invites laughter. You feel the rhythm of life pulsing through your body like music only your soul can hear. As I paint this mandala, imagine your energy painting itself from within. Each dot of color connects with your heartbeat. Each pattern mirrors the sacred geometry of your emotions, perfectly imperfect, beautifully human. Let yourself flow like that. No rules, no fear, no resistance. This is your permission to play, to explore your emotions, to express yourself fully. You are allowed to feel, you are allowed to create, you are allowed to shine. Now see the orange light swirling faster in your belly like a whirlpool of golden orange energy. It moves in harmony with your breath, clearing away all blockages, clearing away shame, guilt, fear, and emotional stagnation. It transforms them into pure creative force, full of energy. You hear the whisper of your sacral chakra. You are free to feel. You are free to express. You are free to be joyful. Every heartbeat of yours now aligns with that rhythm. Every dot, every breath, every color affirms that you are the artist of your life. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can repeat them mentally or out loud. I express myself with joy and freedom. I express myself with joy and freedom. I honor my emotions as sacred messengers. I honor my emotions as sacred messengers. My energy flows in harmony with my life. My energy flows in harmony with my life. I radiate joy, passion, and peace. I radiate joy, passion, and peace. I'm fully alive in every moment. I'm fully alive in every moment. Take one nourishing breath in. Feel the orange glow resting peacefully in your core, steady, calm, and alive. It's a gentle reminder that joy, creativity, and emotional flow are your natural state. If this meditation brought you peace or happiness, share your experience in the comments. Your words carry light, and somewhere someone needs to feel that today.